Auburn City Council is facing backlash from the community over budget cuts that will eliminate several key city jobs. The council approved the cuts at a budget meeting earlier tonight. Police Chief Gary Giannotta and Deputy Police Chief Thomas Murphy both said on Monday they'll be retiring after budget cuts were announced. The deputy chief position is one job being cut, and Chief Giannotta says he can't support a budget that takes away that job.
When I first took over the police department, I didn't have a deputy chief. I know what toll that took on me and my family, and at this point in time, I'm not about to do that again.
City Council member John Camardo says their decision was difficult.
It's a very difficult situation to be in, especially when people lose their jobs. I feel terrible about it, but unfortunately, these are some of the things we have to do to try to close the budget deficit of $5.3 million. And if we don't do something this year, we're going to even have worse problems next year.
Even though the chief of police is retiring, public comment at this budget meeting tonight was actually more about the loss of other city jobs.
I don't think they've looked far enough to cut back expenses elsewhere. They're taking an easy way out, one that's going to affect the future of our city.
Another position being cut belongs to the city's parking supervisor, who doesn't know how the city will manage without someone overseeing parking lots and meters. All employees laid off will have their last day of work on July 31st. Overall, the city is cutting $400,000 from its budget. In Auburn, I'm Katie Corrado.